Today, YouTube, this is what we're doing right here. These bad boys, they're solid. These are a little bit more than $500 a piece. Good love. Threaded inside and out. And all I can really say is they're for the oil industry. But yeah, that's how we getting our money on a Thursday. Plus we're still doing those other, what you call it, the little thing that they almost look like little screens with all the holes. But we be working, man. This your boy Rojo. This is the Rojo Room, and I'm gone.